Facebook is one of the most powerful tools to help real estate agents get leads and close sales. Here are 4 strategies to boost your real estate business with Facebook marketing. Number 1. Put together an engaging content strategy. To be effective, you should be actively engaging with your potential clients and engaging them with content that resonates with them. Consider posts on topics such as home buying tips, local news and events, market trends, and so on. Number 2. Utilize video marketing. Videos are a great way to showcase a property or neighborhood, as well as provide virtual open houses and client testimonials. Use videos to build trust and create deeper connections with potential clients. Number 3. Leverage paid advertising. To maximize your reach and drive conversions, consider deploying Facebook ads. With Ads Manager, you can create ads targeting specific audiences and measure success. Number 4. Analyze and track your metrics. Track and analyze your metrics, such as clicks, likes, engagement, leads generated, and conversions, to make sure your efforts are paying off. By following these strategies, you can effectively create a presence that attracts more potential buyers and helps you build meaningful connections. Good luck and happy marketing!